In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, grade 3 students, Tarbiyah Namudijiyya School. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is teacher Ashraf al Kilany, Nuzha campus, welcoming you to a new distance learning lesson. Today, inshallah, we're going to study Unit 3, Lesson 1. You will find it in your pupils book on page 32 and your activity book on page 29. The main aim of our lesson today is to present and practice new vocabulary. And these new vocabulary are related to furniture and prepositions of place. So I expect our students at the end of this lesson to use and practice these vocabulary which are related to furniture and prepositions of place correctly and successfully. So let me ask you at the beginning of this lesson, how are you doing, my dear students? Great. As you can see here, look. As you can see, Unit 3 is entitled At Home. And as you can see, this is Hip and Hop's house. And we can see different, rooms. Here we can see a bedroom, bathroom, living room, and the kitchen. What about the new vocabulary? Let me show you. Here we have a mirror. We all use mirrors to look at ourselves. Wardrobe. Wardrobes are used to keep our clothes. Here we can see also a picture, plant, in addition to some, prepositions of place. Look, above, under. They are opposite each other. Look, the mirror is above the sink, and consequently the sink is under the mirror, right? Here we can see also behind and in front of and next to. To make it easy for you and clarify the meanings of the prepositions, I prepared a slide for you, and I hope it's gonna be helpful for you identify and know about the prepositions of place. Where are the birds? Look here. As you can see, the bird is we can see part of the bird. Why? Because the bird is behind the box. Behind the box. Here the bird is in front of the box. If we go down, we can see the two birds are opposite each other. Opposite each other. What about above and under? Because they are opposite each other. Here we can see the dog is above, and here the dog is under, right? What about the position of the apple with the box in terms of place or preposition of place? Yeah, excellent. The apple is next to the box, or we can say it's beside the box, right? Here one more slide that shows all the prepositions that are needed to be studied in this lesson. Look at the ball and the box. Here we can see the ball is next to the box. The ball is under the box. The ball is between the two boxes. The ball is above the box. Here the ball is in front of the box, whereas here the ball is behind the box. And I think the pictures, clarify the meanings of the prepositions very well. Right? Back to our book. I want you to listen carefully.
We were at Hip and Hop's house on Tuesday. The computer was in the living room. It was behind the door. The bed was in the bedroom. It was next to the wardrobe. The mirror was in the bathroom. It was above the sink. It was great.
Okay, as you can see, if we can talk about the new vocabulary, related to furniture and the preposition of place. Look at the computer, it's behind the door. Look at the pictures, next to the TV. Look at the wardrobe, it's next to the bed, right? Let's go to the bathroom. As you can see, and I mentioned before, the mirror is above the sink, and consequently, the sink is under the mirror. The bath is under the window. If we move on to the kitchen, you can find the chairs are around the table, and the chairs themselves are opposite the cooker, right? Okay. Now listen and focus to the words, right? Especially the words are highlighted, so I want you to listen carefully.
Plant, mirror, picture, wardrobe, under, above, behind, in front of, next to, opposite.
Okay? Let me show you the next activity, and also I need all of you to listen carefully and tell me what the correct answers are. Listen.
Was the cooker in the kitchen? Yes, it was.
And as you all know, the first one is actually done for you. So the answer is cooker. Was the sofa in the bedroom or garden? I want you to listen carefully and tell me the correct answer. No, it wasn't. No, no, no. Was the mirror or the bath in the bathroom? Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Was the bed in the flat or in the living room? Which one? No, it wasn't. No, no, no. So decide and tell me, after you listen, which ones are the correct answers.
Yes, it was. Was the sofa in the bedroom? No, it wasn't. No, no, no. Was the bath in the bathroom? Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Was the bed in the living room? No, it wasn't. No, no, no.
I'm gonna show you the answers now. Look. If your answers are matching with the answers here, this means you have a very good listening skill, and I'm sure it is. Right? So please circle or tick the correct answers. And to make it easy for you, I prepared a slide that shows the answer, which is so much matching your book here. Number 2, was the mirror or the bath? Yeah, the bath in the bathroom. Yeah, it was. Yes, it was. Was the sofa in the bedroom or garden? Yeah, bedroom. No, it wasn't. No, no, no. Was the bed in the flat or living room? Number 4. Yeah, living room. No, it wasn't. No, no, no. Have you finished? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, I heard one of my students saying not yet. Okay, please finish quickly. Okay, so let's go now to the activity book. Here, as you can see, look, this is Hip and Hop's house, and we can see some vocabulary related to prepositions of place and furniture. Look, picture, wardrobe, mirror, plant. Here we can see more words like above, behind, in front of, next to, and this is going to be used 2 times, on, opposite, under. As I told you earlier, here we can see the sofa is in front of the plants, and at the same time the sofa is behind the small table. The pictures are, or the picture next to the TV. If we move on to the bedroom, we can see the wardrobe is next to the bed. Let's move to the bathroom. You can see the mirror is above the sink and the sink is under the mirror. Also, the bath is under the window. Here, the chairs are opposite the cooker. The sofa was in front of the plant. This is actually done for you. Number 2, the sofa was space the small table. The sofa, here's the sofa, and here's the small table. Very good. I heard many students saying, yeah, teacher, behind. What about the pictures and the TV? Look. Excellent. Very good. Next 2, the bath and the window. The bath was, look, under. Yeah, very good. Look, the bath was under the window. Try to check your memory. The mirror was space the sink. As you can see, go to the bathroom and check. Yeah, the mirror was above the sink. Very good. And the wardrobe was to the bed. Yeah, next to the bed. Very good. The chairs were excellent. Opposite the cooker. Opposite the cooker. I'm gonna show you the answer now. Here is the answer. Please. Look, here are the answers. Please write the answers quickly. The sofa was behind the small table. Let's check. The pictures were next to the TV. The bath was under the window. The mirror was above the sink. The wardrobe was next to the bed. The chairs were opposite the cooker. Take your time and write the answers. You can pause the video and do the activity. At the end of this lesson, I hope my lesson was easy, enjoyable, and interesting for all of you. Thank you for paying attention and listening carefully. Till we meet again, goodbye.